let's get some more analysis on this. Let's bring in Simon Clarke, who's an associate professor in microbiology over at the University of Reading, and he joins us live now from Reading in the UK. Simon, good to have you on the show. All right, how worried are you about this new variant? I mean, what I'm asking is, do you think this is going to be a variant of concern or a variant of interest?
Well, it depends on what's been happening in South Africa and whether this variant is indeed responsible for the nearly tenfold increase in cases that we've seen over the past week or so. So if that is the case, then I'm quite concerned because that means that it's spreading very rapidly. This information that we have that it might not be as sensitive to vaccine-induced immunity is also worth investigating as well. So I'm concerned. I certainly wouldn't panic. I never advocate that, but I am concerned that this is going to cause us problems.
Is this what makes this variant stand out? The fact that it may not be as effective against current vaccines, and the one that it perhaps spreading faster than previous ones?
Yes, I mean, that's a double whammy of problems for us. We don't want either of those things. You know, if we were to have a highly transmissible strain or a vaccine-resistant strain, then we wouldn't like that. We wouldn't want to encourage that. But to have them both crop up together, that potentially causes us serious problems, if indeed that's what's happened.
Changes to the virus's spike protein is especially important in all this in terms of the transmissibility of this. Talk to us about that.
So the spike protein on the surface of the virus acts like a key to bind and gain entrance to our cells when it causes an infection. And when you have an infection or when you've had the vaccine, your body produces antibodies which bind to that key, particularly the bits that interact with the cell, and stop it from working. That's one of the ways the vaccine works. So if you get a new key, one that's got a different structure in that bit that does the unlocking, then you can make the vaccine less effective. You can also, of course, make the virus more transmissible because it perhaps enters cells more easily. These are things we've all got to learn and got to find out about this variant. None of them is, I think, a known as yet.
And we're going to be keeping a closer eye on this new variant. Simon, thank you very much for joining us. I do appreciate the analysis.